Americans have a love affair with eggs, consuming about 285 eggs per person per year. Scrambled is the most popular way to eat them, but most of us have yet to crack the code on how to make them like we see them in restaurants and on TV. So we tapped a pro for the secrets.
We really start with the basics of high quality ingredients. Pasture-raised eggs is really important, and a lot of patience to get those ribbons, happening in the pan. That's definitely a key thing that a lot of people can miss. Most importantly is having your scrambled egg mix ready prior. We make that with a stick blender. We really want to blend those eggs together, and then the last important key step is to pass the egg mix through a fine mesh strainer, and that really just fully breaks up the cell structure of the egg mix, which gives you the ability to get those nice ribbons in the pan.
Another age-old scrambled egg question: should we add milk or water to the mix?
We use heavy cream, not a lot, but a little bit, and we add cream, and it just kind of gives it a little bit more of a lusciousness. And we don't use butter in the pan because we use olive oil, so we get a nice rich texture from the heavy cream.
Once the mixture's ready and you've warmed olive oil in the pan, this is how you get those signature soft scramble ribbons.
You kind of just want to bring the eggs together, let them kind of set and coagulate a little bit, and bring the egg mix in from around the sides. And you want to just let it kind of cook and create its own ribbons. You don't want to move the spatula around too quick. You kind of want to let it do its thing. This is where the patience comes into play. You really got to hang on to your patience, bring it in from around the side, create a bit of a bow tie by bringing it back and forth, and then rolling it around on itself to create a nice little nest. That's the key.
With more than 3/4 of consumers now concerned about the welfare of the animals raised for food production, Two Hands is on a mission to deliver ethical food from farm to table.
Two Hands is committed to sourcing from purveyors whose values align with ours, and which is why we've teamed up with Vital Farms for our exclusive egg purveyor. We look at family farms, sustainable agriculture is one. One thing that Vital Farms, really guarantees is the hens' welfare. They have a lot of free space to roam around. They get access to sunshine and fresh air, and that's really important for us at Two Hands.
Get more information and the recipe for the Two Hands seasonal scramble at vitalfarms.com.